My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the browser hijacker that is called Quick Coupon Search, also known under the name of the website quickcouponsearch.com. If searches from a browser's address bar are being redirected through Quick Coupon Search, then you most likely have an unwanted browser extension or add-on installed. And Quick Coupon Search is the name of this particular extension. Just for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to install this extension in order to teach you how to properly uninstall it later on. This particular extension works as a browser hijacker because it will change your browser search engine to feed.quickcouponsearch.com. So when you start submitting some particular search queries, you might realize that the results are redirected through this hijacker, and eventually the results may be delivered by Yahoo Search, sometimes by Bing Search, or by some other search provider that has not been selected by the customer initially. So, if you see this Quick Coupon Search in your Google Chrome, you should definitely get rid of it if you want to fix these browser redirection issues. Access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then simply find this extension, Quick Coupon Search, disable and remove the extension completely. So this should fix the issue very well. But I also recommend you to research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus to make sure that your device is free of other hidden threats. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application and begin researching your system with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So, after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.